Yung odometer, trip 1, trip 2. So what's up guys, ito po yung Yamaha Sniper 150 quick review. So ito po ay yung 2018 model, yan, black red, kulay black red. Ito yung kanyang panel gauge, yan. Yung odometer, trip 1, trip 2, average fuel consumption. So yan. Tsaka ito yung kanyang under seat, walang compartment box. So yan na po. Tsaka disc brake sa likuran, tsaka sa unahan, front and rear disc brake, tsaka liquid cooled na rin po siya, so which is maganda sa long ride.